Hi guys! Welcome to MJ Vlog. Andito ako ngayon sa aming front yard kasi may mga flowers. Nalalanta siya. Kinuha ko guys. Ayan o. Color yellow. And meron pa akong kukunin ito. Purple. Kasi nalalanta siya. Sayang naman. Smells good guys. Ayan. Pero meron ding red. Ayan. Ito yung yellow. Nakuha na ni Habi. May ilalagay pa siyang purple. Wow! Look! Ayan. Ito pang red mahalo. There's red right there. Right there. It's okay, the little one. You can get more purple. Look guys, oh, di ba sayang siya? Pretty and smell good. Bango. Ayan. Wala guys, shinare ko lang. Thank you for watching. At sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe na yung channel ko, likes and subscribe my channel. Bye!